Welcome to this video. I'm going to walk you through how to integrate call loop with Contest Domination so you can start building your mobile phone list or your phone list right alongside with getting leads, getting contest entrants using Contest Domination. So as you go through and you build out your contest, you're going to walk through all of these steps. And the first step, once you get here to step 1, your opt-in offer, you're going to see a tab here that says opt-in fields. So you'll click on that, and we need to create a custom field, which is a phone field. And so you'll make sure that this is a text field. You don't want to choose hidden. So make sure it's a text field. And what I like to do is, if you are collecting the mobile phone and you plan on sending text messages to these people, make sure that you tell them to put in mobile phone, right? If you just put phone, people may put their office phone, their landline phone, every other phone. Maybe they'll put in their cell phone. But if you say put in your mobile phone, now people will put in the mobile phone. So you can send them text messages. So the next part is you want to check this box. So we want to include this field on our opt-in page. You can choose whether to make it required. And here you want to check to map this input to your call loop account. And the next part is in this advanced settings, which is set up your integrations. So when you have a web form, whether it's Aweber or any of the integration partners or mailing list partners or email systems, when you create your web form, you want to make sure that you have a phone field created. So in this example, I actually created a list called call loop, and in that list, we created a custom field called phone. So I'm going to go ahead and select over here to mobile integration. And this is asking us for our call loop token, our call loop URL. So let's head over to call loop and we'll create our group. So once you're inside call loop, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a group. And this group is going to be all of the people that enter your contest. So you may want to call this one just Contest Domination or whatever contest yours is. So the next thing is you want to enable SMS and just go ahead and set this to 4. This is default and standard, and it's really for our own internal purposes. The next thing is select integration, and for this one you're going to select custom HTTP post. You'll select that and just create the group. On the next page we're going to give you this token, this URL. So we're going to copy this, we'll head back to Contest Domination, and we'll paste in that URL. And we're going to click Save and Continue. And because we have created a phone field on our web form in Aweber or on our custom fields in Aweber for this list, the phone field is appearing. So we want to make sure that we're selecting the phone field. Again, you'll have to create a custom field in Aweber or GetResponse or Infusionsoft to be able to map this. So essentially when people include their phone number, this will then be passed over to call loop. So we'll just go ahead and save and continue and close this out, and then we'll test it. And so here it is. So if I enter my name, my email, and my mobile phone, what should happen is it will add me to Aweber, and it will add me to our call loop group we just set up. So we enter in our information, we're going to click enter to win, and this will process us. We'll enter in the contest, and now let's go check call loop. So from call loop on the My Groups section, we'll see our contest and our group here. What we'll need to do is we'll click on this refresh link, and we should see that new contact. So here it is. So I'll click on the 1, and there it is. So there's me, my email address, and the phone I entered in Contest Domination. So that's it. That's how easy it is to set it up, to integrate it. Now, one of the next steps, if you want to send a text message to them immediately after they sign up, we'll create a follow-up message. So if you go to messages and follow-ups, we're going to create a follow-up. And so we want to welcome folks. We'll send this immediately. We'll continue, and we can put in our SMS message. And right in your text message, you can actually merge over the first name, the last name, the email address, the phone number if you wanted into the text message, and write your text. So we'll create this follow-up, and the next step is to test it Number one, send it to your own phone to make sure that it looks correct the way that you want it. And go ahead and turn this on. So what will happen is anytime anyone subscribes or opts into your contest, they include their mobile phone number and gets added to Call Loop, they will get this text message immediately. So that's it. It's real simple. Go ahead and get started, and I'm looking forward to seeing your results for integrating and using texting in your contests. So Chris Brisson signing off, and take care.